Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate Salesforce and Quickbooks. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new lead is created in Salesforce, it will automatically add an online customer in Quickbooks. Now Salesforce is an excellent CRM software and Quickbooks is an awesome accounting software. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from Salesforce to Quickbooks. But there is one minor problem. There is no integration between Salesforce and Quickbooks. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Salesforce and Quickbooks. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will get immediate access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Here just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Salesforce to Quickbooks. Quickbooks. Then click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Salesforce? Because we want to send the data from Salesforce, that is why. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new lead? Okay, so a new lead is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new lead is made, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there is one more trigger event called as the new task. Now, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new lead is made in Salesforce. Okay, so just click on connect with Salesforce. In the new credentials, just again click on connect with Salesforce. Okay, so Pabbly is demanding access. Just click on allow. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. Okay, so here you have a blank called as the instance URL. So in this case, you just have to go to your Salesforce account and copy this. So basically, you just have to copy your URL and paste it here. Okay, just remove the slash. Okay, so we have added the instance URL and just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data of the recently created lead. For example, here we have created a lead called as 𝗪𝗵𝘆 So that is why Pabbly Connect has captured the data related to that lead. So basically, when you click on save and send test request, it basically will capture the data regarding the recently created lead in Salesforce. So how about we create one more lead? I'm going to create a lead here. Okay, so the first name is Michael and the last name is Jackson Jr. Okay, Michael Jackson Jr. and the company he works is Beat It. Okay, and if you want, you can add the rest of the details. So these are the rest of the details we have added. Okay, so let's see after clicking on save and save whether we can create a lead. Okay, a lead called as Michael Jackson Jr. has been created. Excellent. So let me go to Pabbly Connect and let me click on again save and send test request. So when I click on save and send test request, it will show the data of the lead, that is Michael Jackson Jr. So let me click it. Okay, so when we click on save and send test request, you can find the data regarding Michael Jackson Jr. So the last name is Michael Jackson Jr., the first name is Michael, the company is Beat It, and these are the address, and this is the state, this is the postal code, this is the country. Excellent. Of course, we have the phone number, and this is the email. Now we have to sync all these details to QuickBooks. So to do that, just click on this plus button. When you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as QuickBooks? QuickBooks Online. Okay, so now in the action event, we just want to create a customer. Okay, so there are many more action events like create an account, create an invoice, delete an invoice, update a customer, and so on. All of them are a bunch of action event. However, just like the triggers, if you don't find the action event of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to create a customer from the data that we have received from Salesforce. Okay, so just click on connect with QuickBooks. In the new credentials, just again connect with QuickBooks. Okay, so now Pabbly Connect is connecting with QuickBooks. So let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. Okay, so now as you can see, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blank is very simple. We are going to create a customer from the data that we have received from Salesforce via Pabbly Connect. For example, in the display name, we are just going to map in the details. So this button is called as the mapping button. So the display name is Michael Jackson Jr. And in the given name, we can just add the first name. We don't have the middle name. The family name can be Jackson Jr. And the company name is Beat It. If you want, we can add the phone number. So where is our phone number? Yes. And then we have the mobile number. Okay, so phone number and mobile number are practically same. So we are not going to do anything. So email address, yes, we just have to map in the email address. That's quite important. Okay, so this is the email address of Michael Jackson Jr. And we can also map in the billing address. Okay, so these are the details regarding the billing address. Okay, so let me scroll down. Okay, so this is the billing address one. Then if we want, we can add the city. Okay, we can add the city here. So the city is Bhopal. Okay, so we don't have any state code. Okay, so that's it. If we want, we can add the country. So the country is India. Okay, so we have added all the details. Now billing address and shipping address are practically same, so we ignore it. And we don't have any data regarding the currency nodes or the tax registration number, so we are just going to ignore it. Preferred payment method, let's keep it as cash. Preferred delivery method, print later. Okay, so just click on save and send test request to create a customer in Salesforce, in QuickBooks. I'm sorry. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent to QuickBooks. So let's have a look. So this is my customer page. So I'm just going to refresh this. Okay, so let's have a look in QuickBooks whether it has created a customer called as Michael Jackson Jr. Yes, there is a customer called as Michael Jackson Jr. This is the phone number, and this is the company he works in. That's it. That is Beat It. And this is the phone number. Okay, so the presence of this customer in QuickBooks shows that we have successfully integrated Salesforce and QuickBooks with help of Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let's check now whether if our integration is working fine or not. But before we do that, let me show you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to minimize my action window, and I'm going to minimize my trigger window. Okay, so now this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated Salesforce to Pabbly Connect, and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to QuickBooks. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Salesforce and QuickBooks Online. Excellent. So we are going to create a lead. So just go to lead back once more, and I'm going to create a new lead. So the name of the person is Tyson, and Huntsman is his last name. Huntsman. Okay, the company he works is given a company name. Okay, IBM. Okay, and then the rest of the details has been filled. Okay, so make some changes here. Okay, so just click on save. Okay, a lead called as Tyson Huntsman has been created. So let's have a look in QuickBooks whether we have a lead called as we have a customer called as Tyson Huntsman. Yes, we have a customer called as Tyson Huntsman. Okay, so this means our integration is working absolutely fine. This means whenever a lead is created in Salesforce, it will be reflected as a customer in QuickBooks.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.